I've been installing kitchens with Wickes for 12, nearly 13 years now, and I've been actually doing kitchens for 30 years. When you go with a Wickes approved installer such as myself, you know your kitchen will be fitted with care. So you know your home's in safe hands with us. We will leave it tidy every day, and we will always leave you with electricity, running water throughout the project. During the installation, we realise this is a very difficult time to lose all your facilities, so we do this as quickly as we can and as painless as possible. For example, we would give you temporary worktops while you're waiting for your granite to be installed. So during these difficult times with COVID, etc., we would set up a wash station, we would wear masks if you'd like us to. We would also put a protection barrier in place to try and keep ourselves self-contained in the kitchen during the installation process. We pride ourselves on being able to give you the full package, not just the installation of your kitchen, but also any building works you require, electrics, plumbing, plastering, whatever you may require, we can do. We even deal with cosmetic finishes such as flooring, lighting, anything you want us to do to finish your project to the highest standard. During the home survey, if there is an issue that needs to be sorted, we could change it. For example, if there was something in the way, like a gas meter, we could adapt a unit around that. I'm in contact with your design consultant, so between us, we could get it all sorted. When it comes to your old kitchen, you don't even need to worry about that. We remove and dispose of all your kitchen professionally and responsibly. Before we turn up, you don't need to worry about anything apart from emptying your existing cupboards. We'll even disconnect all your old appliances. All our workmanship is guaranteed for 2 years, so if there's any problem with your kitchen, you can just give us a call and we'll come around and replace it. There's no quibbles with the guarantee. Any problems at all, you can just give us a call and we're happy to come and put it right. I've got 30 years experience fitting kitchens, and you can't get better than a Wickes kitchen. It's a good feeling to fit such a quality product. I recommend you go with a Wickes approved kitchen installer, but if you have your own installer, you can do that if you wish. Wickes do a huge range of kitchens and every home's different, so it's really enjoyable to see the finished product. I do remember one where we moved the kitchen from the existing kitchen and put it into the customer's lounge, which was huge and it looked fantastic. The bit I like best about the Wickes kitchen installation is when a customer has been away on holiday and they come back to, wow, look at my kitchen. It gives me and my team a great feeling when a customer's so happy that we've fulfilled their dream.